Hello and welcome. Today we'll be exploring how to create exploded isometric views in Revit. So the first one to do is to duplicate the existing 3D view and to rename it. Going to just right click on rename and rename it as exploded isometric view. After doing this, to help me organize my work properly, I'm just going to place it on sheet. I'll right click on sheet, click on new sheet, and then I'll drag in the new view into the sheet. So the next thing I'm going to do is to rescale the view properly. So under view scale, I might set it to 1:100 to see if it is okay. No, so I'm just going to adjust this to custom and set it to 1:150. Now placing your work on sheets early on will enable you to plan how you want to construct your isometric explosion. After doing this, I'll activate the view and begin. Make sure I select roof from the edge. Once that is done, under the modify tab, you are going to see displace element. Click on the display tab and then move these arrows to help you displace the object. And this is how we create the isometric exploded view. So this displace tool is only active in this view. If I go back to the normal 3D view, the building is still there. Going to go back to the sheet, activate the view and continue the process for other elements. Now select this roof together with the roof wall by holding down the control key and then click on the displace tab again, and I can move both of them. And then the same thing for other elements. I can select this element and I want to move it horizontally, so I'll click on the displace tool and then I'll move it out this way. To help create some harmony amongst their displaced elements, you can select them and then click on path and use this path to trace the part of the explosion or the displacement that you've just carried out. And so if I do this way, it can show me, okay, this left from here and this left from these angles. Let's say I change my mind about this wall, so I try to select this wall and this wall. I can click on reset and they'll go back to the building. I can also click on this already displaced element, click on edit and add these other walls to this displacement. Let me say I can add these 3 walls to this displacement and click on finish. So this is how you edit the displacement, and you can select them and still move them down a little bit and do a lot of things with the displacement. Notwithstanding that, also you can add and remove components from already displaced elements. You can use text tooling annotation to annotate the spaces. I can copy this and bring it down. If you cannot annotate in 3D, you can deactivate the view and just annotate on sheet. And this is a wrap. Thanks for watching. Kindly leave a like on this video. You're welcome to subscribe if you have not done so. We release videos on everything architecture. To learn about how to create corrugated roofing sheet, you can check this video I just made on that. And if you want to create stunning architectural elevations, you can also check this other video I made on that. Thanks for watching. Bye.